Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ramika's Diary. Today we're going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 7, Chapter 12, the clause. So let's get into the video. Uses of conditional clauses. If you do this, this will happen. So if you do something, then this thing will happen. So those are conditional clauses. So let's see the uses of it. First use, real or always true. So it's real or always true. So if you do this, this will always happen. So like if you do something, then this will always happen. Example, if you heat ice, it melts. So if you heat ice, then it always melts. Second, maybe happens. So like the things that maybe happens. So if you do this, this might happen. Example, if you study, you will pass. Third, dream or impossible. So like your dream or impossible. So if this could happen, then this would happen. So like if this could happen, but it can't. So like you're wishing that something could happen, but it can't, like it's impossible, then this would happen. Example, if I were a bird, I would fly. So you are wishing that you could be a bird, but that's impossible. Then this would happen. So if I were a bird, I would fly. So fourth one, past impossible. These talk about things that didn't happen in the past and their hypothetical results. So hypothetical results means like what you guess will happen. They use had plus past participle and would have plus past participle. Example, if you had worked hard, you would have passed. In this part, you're guessing what would have happened. So like if you did this, this would have happened. That's what they're trying to say in this. Worksheet. Exercise 1. Identify the type of conditional clause. Real, always, true, open, probable. So open, probable, that means maybe happens, okay? Imaginary or unfilled present. So this means dream or impossible. So you have to read the following sentences and identify the type of conditional clause. So you have to read the following sentences and identify the type of conditional clauses. So let's read the first one. If water boils, it evaporates. So whenever we boil water, it always evaporates. So it wouldn't show any other actions while we boil the water. It always evaporates when we boil the water. So this will be real or always true. So that type. So real or always true. So let's read the second sentence. If it rains, we will stay indoors. So this is more like a probability. Like if it rains, we're not sure it's gonna rain, but if it rains, then we will stay indoors. So if it rains, we will stay indoors. So this is more like the probability. So we're gonna write open or probable. So the answer of this is here, and then the answer of this is here. Okay, let's read the third sentence. If I had wings, I would fly. So I would never have wings, that's impossible, but if I had wings, I would fly. So this is more like imaginary and unfulfilled present. So that's going to be the answer. Imaginary or unfulfilled present. So let's read the fourth sentence. If he were taller, he could reach the shelf. So they're saying if he were taller, so that means he's shorter, he's not taller. So if he were taller, he could reach the shelf. So this is imaginary or unfulfilled present. So imaginary or unfulfilled present. Exercise 2. Complete the following sentences using the hints in the brackets. So in this exercise, you have to complete the following sentences using the hints in the brackets. So there will be hints in the brackets. So you have to complete the sentences using those hints. So let's see the first sentence. If you dash harder, you will get better grades. So in the bracket, there's study. So I'm going to write study. Next, if I dash you, I would apologize. So the hint is B. So I'm going to write where. So let's read it now. If I were you, I would apologize. So now this is like imaginary or unfulfilled present. Third one, if it dash, we will cancel the picnic. So the hint is rain. So this is more like probability. So we're gonna write rains. Fourth one, if he dash the answer, he would tell us. So this is also more like probability. So like if he knew the answer, he would tell us. The hint is no. Fifth sentence, if she dash late, she will miss the bus. So if she arrives late, she will miss the bus. Next, if you dash butter, it melts. If you heat butter, it melts. So heat. Seventh one, if they dash us, we would have gone to the party. So the hint is invite. So this sentence applies to the last use we saw. So here it says these talk about things that didn't happen in the past and their hypothetical results. They use had plus past participle and would have plus past participle. So when you see in this sentence, it has would have, has would have plus past participle. So plus past participle. Here the past participle is gone. So this applies to the last rule that we saw. So it starts with had plus past participle. So I'm going to write had plus invited. Had invited. So if they had invited us, we would have gone to the party. Okay friends, this chapter is over by this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.